Hello everyone. In today's topic, we are going to study about class 12th physics, unit 1, electrostatics. In that, we will study about electrostatic charges. What is electrostatics? Electro means charges, statics means rest. So basically, electrostatics is the study of charges at rest. What is charge? Charge is energy possessed by a body by virtue of which it will show attraction or repulsion. Means if we bring together bodies A and B, A will either attract or repel B and vice versa. So we say that the bodies A and B contain some kind of charge. Charges are of two types, positive charge and negative charge. For example, if we rub a glass rod against a silk cloth, what happens? The glass rod gives some of its electrons to the silk cloth. Thus, the glass rod becomes positively charged and the silk cloth becomes negatively charged. Similarly, if we rub an ebonite rod against a fur, what happens? The fur gives some of its electrons to the ebonite rod. Thus, the fur becomes positively charged and the ebonite rod becomes negatively charged. Let us understand this with an experiment. If we tie a glass rod to a thread which is positively charged as we had rubbed it against the silk cloth, and again we bring another positively charged glass rod towards this, what happens? These both glass rods start repelling towards each other, which states like charges repel each other. But if we tie a glass rod which is positively charged against a thread and we bring an ebonite rod which is negatively charged, as we had rubbed it against a fur and it had become negatively charged, what happens? The glass rod and the ebonite rod get attracted towards each other, which states the unlike charges attract each other. So positive charge and negative charge, which are the like charges or similar charges, show repulsion towards each other, and positive negative charge, negative positive charge, that is unlike charges or dissimilar charges, show attraction towards each other. Now let us study the unit of charge. The charge unit is coulomb, which is denoted by the word C, which is the international standard unit of charge, and the CGS unit, the centimeter, gram, second unit of charge is stat coulomb. 1 coulomb equals to 3 into 10 to the power 9 stat coulomb. So now charge is a scalar quantity. Why? Because it has only magnitude, that is value, and no direction. Let us find out dimensions of charge. As we know, current or I is equals to charge per unit time, that is Q by T. So charge or Q is equals to I into T. The unit of I or current is ampere and we denote T or time by the capital letter T. So the dimensions of charge are A1, T1, and we always denote the dimensions with square brackets. Now what are the applications of charge? Paint, spraying and Xerox are the applications of charge. Now let us study charge and mass relationship. Before that, please note down the charge of electron, charge of proton, as well as mass of electron and mass of proton. Now, the relationship between charge and mass. If any body gives some of its electrons to another body, what happens? This body gets lighter in mass, whereas this body gets heavier in mass, as the lighter body has given some of its electrons to the heavier body. Thank you.